Morning. I'm working on shock towers this morning, specifically. So yesterday I marked the outline of all of the joints right here, so I know where to clean all the EDM off, or EDP off. But yeah, look at, see this gap right in there? I don't know if you can see it, but there's a gap between the frame rails right there. That's the same as on the factory. And so here's the factory one, and you can see the, I don't know if you can see it, the lights get in the way, but you see that gap right there. So, yeah, they only welded like here, and here, 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 and on the back, they welded here, here, and here. Yeah, I'm doing more than that. I don't know if it's necessary. I mean, that car lasted 51 years, but I'm not happy with that. So I'm gonna stitch this up right here, stitch this gap, because I mean, and I'm gonna put some weld right here, 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 and then I'm gonna come over here, and I'm gonna do this vertical. I'm gonna do over to here. I'm gonna do this in here, do that in there. I'm gonna do that vertical right there. And then I'm gonna come out here, I'm gonna stitch right here. So, and I'm gonna do the same thing out here. So, yep, making it better. So I'm gonna, now that I've got both sides marked, by the way. And I've got my dimension from right here to right here. It's 19 3/4 on both sides. That's what our original one was. So, yep, putting it all together, getting it square, doing the things that we got to do. So I'm going to knock these back off and clean off all of the weld spots, and then put them back together so they can be welded. So that's what I'm doing this morning. Shock towers are all welded in. All welded in here. So welded in the back, welded in here, welded in the front. So now we can start assembling.